guys. Figured I'd clean this camera off. A little bit of muck in it. There we go. Actually, see now. Got the 14 uncovered here. I think we're gonna do a cold start on her. She's been sitting since the last snowstorm we got. Probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I think it was, or something like that. So, yeah, let's see if she'll fire over. Alright, I gotta roll the motor over. So I've got so much compression trying to turn her over. Alright, she's getting warmed up. Here we go. She's running. Got the duals on the back of the 10XL here. Still got the nose off it. I had to charge up the battery because I killed it. So, but there you go, guys. She's running. Oh, I killed it. That's alright. So, here you go, guys. Got a cold start for you. And duals on the back of that. I'm going to take it down back there, down behind the trailers there, and see how good the tire chains do. And then go from there, I guess. See whether I like them or not. So, if not, I'll just take them back off and put them on over there. Put those tires with the ice studs on them back on, but I think I might like it. So, got a little issue with this one. It's got a throttle issue with this one. I don't know. Not too sure yet, but I'll figure it out eventually. But this is the tab that I was telling you guys about. Broke off. It's supposed to hold this from doing this. So, but yeah, that's alright. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna get back to doing what I was doing. So I just figured I'd do a epic cold start. So, or a fail cold start, I guess you'd call it. So, but alrighty, guys.